Welcome back to my cooking show. It's Supper Time, presented by Street Chef on Public Access Television. My next segment here, I'm over here at Promenade Park on a beautiful, nice, almost winter. We got about a week away from winter. So I'm down here. This new construction building behind me is a very cool project. It's halfway done. They're still putting the roof and more. It's about 4 levels. There's parking garage, and it's going to be a bar and shops and stuff like that here, and more condos, but still no grocery store for the people. So I'm sitting in front of a parking meter, which I have no problem paying money on the meters, but you only get to park down here for 2 hours, and that's absurd. We don't even have an app for these meters, so if you're down here for only an hour, but you can stay there and park there for 2 hours, you can feed the meter on this app. You can find parking spots, be available through the app. You can pay, and it's ludicrous. We're 20 years behind, it seems like, on everything. It's little details I've been talking to you about. We need to improve on the city. So, and for the people. It's just not me addressing this. This is people who come and visit our city, and they tell me this. How is it in 2 hours? You want the tourists to come down here in 2 hours? You want them to spend more time than 2 hours downtown. If you agree or disagree, let me know on my Facebook page, Andy Rival. I'm not afraid. I'm not going anywhere. Staying strong, be strong, stay healthy, get vaccinated. When we come back in another episode, saga to the twist of Fort Wayne. Come on back. Boom. That was good. That was good. That was good.